Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We got something a little different today. We got the TMG Coal Mine. All right, this is our fire table here. Now, the nice thing about the Coal Mine, we can do it in several different sizes. All right, our standard size is going to be a 48 by 36. Now, my man Mike here, that wasn't big enough for him, so we did him a 60 by 30, so a little bit longer, a little less depth. Going to work out great for him. Put some side deflectors on here for keep the wind down on it. It's something we're gonna start doing on all the fire tables, something new. We're always trying to get better, guys, you know what I'm saying? So we got that. Now, standard, this fire table will come with 2 grill grates, you see here, 2 griddle grates, all right? And then our burn down box. Now, I wasn't too happy about this, but I did it for my man Mike. He had me put a, I don't know, some letter M in there, whatever that is. Y'all don't wanna see that side though. You wanna see that TMG Pit side. That's what it's normally gonna look like for all us normal folks out there. Love you, Mike. Anyways, so that's our burn down box that comes with the fire table. Of course, you got plenty of storage down there as well. Now, y'all see this bad boy right here. First time new TMG product. My man Mike asked for this. So this is a basket. Basically pop this bad boy out, open it up, throw you whatever you want to grill on there, sandwich her back down, pop this in, boom, you're ready to rock and roll. All right, we got adjustable height over here and it'll rotate. So if I had it up a little higher, you can spin this thing 180, lock it back down, adjust your height. So this, I mean, guys, the whole point of a fire table is to have fun, put on a show, kind of do something different. So, I mean, hell, you can hang off this. I mean, the options are endless with the fire table, guys. I mean, I'm sure y'all have seen our other videos. We got some with roof on top of them. I mean, we'll make it to where you can drive it down the road if you need to. So that is the TMG Coal Mine. Say, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.